All right, you're here to practice, so make sure you have your calculator out and ready to go. All of these guys are right triangles, and all of these guys are using the legs of the right triangles, so they're all going to be tangent. So I'm going to have us just go ahead and just start setting up our tangents for all of these. It's always the tangent of the angle. And then it's always the one that's across from it, because that's the rise, and then the one that's next to it next. So it's across from first, and then the one that's next to it. So 3 over 4, x over 30, 8 over 10, 200 over x, 5 over 7, and x over 70. Now, before we even get started, this one is across from the 3 instead of the 4, so it's going to be less than 45. This one is across from the smallest angle, so it's going to be smaller than 30. This one is across from the smaller one, so it's going to be less than 45. This one is across from the smaller one, so this one must be bigger than 200. This is across from the smaller, so again less than 45. And this one is across from the bigger one, so it's going to be more than 70. So you can instantly just at least have a sense of the kind of answer that you're going to get before you get started. So looking at this one here in terms of plugging this in, so yeah, there's the lamp. Okay, so if I want to plug this in, I want to undo tangent, which is the inverse tangent. So most calculators have a tangent, well, almost all of them do, a tangent, and then right above it, it'll say tangent to the -1. In order to get that, most of them are color-coded. So you would hit second and tangent, and then if you notice, it says tangent -1. And then we would just do 3 divided by 4. That's how you put in a fraction. Fraction means divide. And so you get 36.87 as your degree. And we knew it was less than 45, so that makes sense. Here, to get x alone, I'm just needing to multiply both sides by 30. So I'm going to plug in 30 times the tangent of 20. 30 times the tangent of 20. We knew it was supposed to be smaller than 30, so that seems to make some sense for an answer. This one here, think about what you would do. Similar to this one. Got to undo the tangent, inverse tangent. Again, color-coded, inverse tangent, 8 divided by 10. Okay, this one here, this one's different. This one here, you can either cross multiply or just recognize that you have to multiply both sides by x to get it out of the denominator. So that goes away. You get x tangent 18 equals 200. And then we need to, green. We need to divide both sides by tangent. So x equals 200 divided by the tangent of 18. So on your calculator, you just hit 200 divided by the tangent of 18. Just plug it in exactly like that. We knew it was supposed to be bigger than 200, so 615.53 seems reasonable. Or actually 54, huh? So I glanced right at the last minute, recognized that the next number was higher than 5, so I do need to round that up. Okay, I'm going to leave those two for you to figure out all by yourself.